various vitamins and minerals. These compounds contribute to green tea's potent antioxidant and health-boosting effects. So, let's see 5 proven health benefits of green tea. Number 1. Green tea is an antioxidant powerhouse. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins like epigallocatechin and gallate, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Number 2. Green tea promotes your heart health. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to improved heart health. The catechins in green tea help lower levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while also promoting the dilation of blood vessels, which supports healthy blood flow and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 3. Green tea aids in weight management. Green tea is often touted as a natural aid for weight management. The combination of caffeine and catechins in green tea has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation, leading to enhanced calorie burning and potentially aiding in weight loss efforts when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Number 4. Green tea boosts your brain health. Green tea contains caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and mental alertness. Together, these compounds have synergistic effects on brain function, improving mood, focus, and cognitive performance. Regular consumption of green tea may also help protect against age-related cognitive decline and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Number 5. Skin health and anti-aging effects. The antioxidant properties of green tea extend to its benefits for skin health and anti-aging. Green tea polyphenols help protect the skin from UV damage, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen synthesis, leading to improved skin elasticity, hydration, and a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Drinking green tea or applying green tea extracts topically can help maintain youthful, radiant skin. Lithium is a medication used as a mood stabilizer in the treatment of bipolar disorder. In addition, it is used in the management of acute manic episodes, treatment of resistant depression, and resistant schizophrenia. Bipolar disorder is a condition characterized by periods of lowered mood and depression, as well as periods of heightened mood and mania. In bipolar disorder, individuals can have dramatic shifts in emotions, mood, and energy levels. Lithium is one of the oldest and most effective medications in the treatment of bipolar disorder. It decreases the frequency and magnitude of these ups and downs. The exact mechanism by which lithium does this is not known. However, it is thought that it regulates the release of neurotransmitters within the brain. So, let's first discuss the mechanism of neurotransmitter release at a synapse. First, inositol, a carboxylic sugar, is converted into phosphoinositol by adding a phosphate group. Phosphoinositol is then converted to phosphoinositol 4-phosphate by adding another phosphate group. Then, a third phosphate group is added to form phosphoinositol 4,5-bisphosphate. Then, a membrane-bound enzyme called phospholipase C splits phosphoinositol 4,5-bisphosphate into diacylglycerol, or DAG, and inositol triphosphate, or IP3. IP3 increases the intracellular calcium levels, which triggers the release of neurotransmitters to the synaptic cleft. However, IP3 should be converted back to inositol before it can be used again. IP3 is dephosphorylated to form IP2, and then into IP1 by an enzyme called inositol phosphate phosphatase, and ultimately into inositol by the enzyme inositol monophosphatase. It is postulated that lithium inhibits these enzymes and prevents recycling of inositol, which will lead to decreased neurotransmitter release. Lithium is taken orally, and it is absorbed rapidly into the blood. It is not metabolized by the liver and eliminated exclusively by the kidneys. Lithium has a narrow therapeutic window. Therefore, blood levels should be monitored closely. Some common adverse effects of lithium include the following: gastrointestinal disturbances such as nausea and vomiting and diarrhea, tremors, nephrogenic diabetes insipidus, where the individuals have increased urine output, also known as polyuria, and increased thirst, also called polydipsia. This adverse effect of lithium is due to the inhibition of ADH hormone by the drug. Lithium also blocks the hormone TSH, which stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete thyroid hormones. This will lead to hypothyroidism. Lithium also causes increased white blood cells, more specifically lymphocytes. Lithium is not safe to use during pregnancy since it increases the risk of congenital heart defects in the baby. Finally, if lithium in blood rises to toxic levels, it can cause acute renal failure and severe neurological complications like ataxia, confusion, inability to speak, coma, and even death. Meningitis refers to the inflammation of the meninges, the protective membranes that cover the brain and spinal cord. It is caused by infected organisms including bacteria, viruses, and less commonly fungi and parasites. In this video, our primary goal is to discover the signs and symptoms of meningitis. Signs and symptoms of meningitis can vary depending on the severity of the disease and the causative organism. About 45% of individuals will present with a classic triad of symptoms, including fever, headache, and neck stiffness. Fever is usually high grade, especially in bacterial and viral meningitis. Headache is intense and persistent. Neck stiffness is a classic sign of meningitis. Here, the patient is unable to flex the neck forward due to meningeal irritation. Other symptoms include the following: nausea and vomiting, which can be quite severe and may be related to increased intracranial pressure. Altered mental status. Patients may appear confused, disoriented, or lethargic, especially in severe cases. Drowsiness. Seizures, particularly in children. In individuals who have been partially treated for meningitis, seizures may be the only presenting complaint. Photophobia and phonophobia, which refer to sensitivity to light and sound respectively. Rash. Certain types of bacterial meningitis, such as meningococcal meningitis, can lead to the development of a characteristic non-blanching purpuric rash. A positive Koenig sign. This sign is elicited by attempting to extend the knee with the hip and knee flexed. Resistance and pain when extension gives a positive result. Hypotension and shock. In severe cases, meningitis can lead to circulatory collapse and shock. In infants, signs and symptoms may be nonspecific. In addition, they might have a bulging anterior fontanelle, feeding difficulties, and sleep disturbances. Living healthily should not be expensive or tough. Sometimes, making a few changes to your day-to-day life will make you healthier than ever. So in this video, I give you 10 health tips for a healthier life. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. A healthy diet offers many health benefits. It prevents you from malnutrition and non-communicable diseases, including diabetes, heart disease and stroke, gastrointestinal problems, and cancer. A healthy, balanced diet should include the following: fruits and vegetables, half of the plate. Whole grains such as wheat, barley, oats, and brown rice, quarter of the plate. And the remaining quarter should include proteins, usually in the form of meat, fish, or eggs. You can also add healthy fats to the diet in the form of healthy vegetable oils. If you are choosing avocado as a fruit, it also adds a good amount of healthy fats to the diet. In addition, you should drink plenty of water and avoid unhealthy fast foods and beverages to get the maximum benefits. Consume less salt and sugar. Consuming increased amounts of salt is associated with an increased risk of hypertension. Hypertension affects over 1 billion people around the world and is a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. Therefore, consuming less salt will reduce the risk of hypertension and thereby occurrence of these diseases. Increased intake of sugary items will increase blood glucose levels. Persistent elevation of blood glucose levels can lead to insulin resistance, which is a major factor contributing to the development of type 2 diabetes. Avoid fast foods. Fast foods such as chips, burgers, pizza, hot dogs, and others are extremely unhealthy. They lack many essential nutrients and contain harmful substances such as saturated fats, sodium nitrate, monosodium glutamate, and others, which can increase the risk of cancer. In addition, fast foods do not supply the vitamins, minerals, and fiber to optimal levels. Consequently, you may develop vitamin deficiencies, skin problems, and gastrointestinal problems such as constipation. Moreover, Eating fast foods is associated with an increased risk of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, ischemic heart disease, stroke, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol has a multitude of adverse effects on human body. In fact, alcohol is the major underlying cause for more than 30 disease conditions. The most common disease categories that are entirely or partially caused by alcohol include infectious diseases, cancer, diabetes, neuropsychiatric diseases, cardiovascular disease, liver disease, pancreatic disease, and unintentional and intentional injury. In addition to these diseases that affect the drinker, alcohol consumption also can affect the health of others and cause social harm both to the drinker and to others, adding to the overall cost associated with alcohol consumption. For these reasons, avoiding alcohol is extremely important for good health. Avoid smoking. Tobacco smoking remains one of the major preventable causes of ill health and premature death worldwide. Cigarette smoke is a complex mixture of more than 4,000 chemicals, including polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and oxidant gases that are known to be cardiotoxins. Nicotine is the principal active ingredient in tobacco, and it is highly addictive, resulting in sustained tobacco use. Cigarette smoke affects human body in a myriad of ways, leading to many chronic diseases and cancer. The health effects are seen not only in smokers, but also in individuals who are exposed to secondhand smoke. Free radicals generated by cigarette smoke will increase oxidative stress, inflammation, and DNA damage. Carcinogens in cigarette smoke bind to human DNA, resulting in DNA damage and mutations, leading to cancer in various organs, including the lungs, brain, liver, bladder, esophagus, stomach, and colon. There is a causal relationship between cigarette smoking and cardiovascular events, including coronary artery disease, stroke, aortic aneurysms, and peripheral vascular disease. Cigarette smoke is the major underlying cause for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Finally, smoking also increases the risk of developing tuberculosis and associated complications. Given the most disastrous complications of smoking, it is extremely important to avoid it for a better health. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is one of the best ways to improve your overall health. On the other hand, having a sedentary life will increase the risk of many non-communicable diseases, including heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Major benefits of regular exercising include the following: reduced risk of heart disease and stroke, reduced risk of type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome, reduced risk of certain types of cancers, including bladder, breast, colon, esophageal, kidney, and lung cancer, improved bone and muscle strength, reduced risk of osteoporosis, improved mental health, better weight control, reduced functional limitations, and improved ability to perform the activities of daily living. Maintain a good hygiene. Many disease conditions can be prevented or controlled by maintaining a good personal hygiene, including diarrheal diseases, typhoid fever, skin infections, respiratory diseases, and many others. In addition, having a good hygiene will improve your skin health, nail health, and scalp health. Moreover, hygienic people are pleasant on the eyes and more attractive, which is an additional advantage of good hygiene. Practice safe sex. To practice safe sex, first, you should avoid having multiple sex partners. Using protecting measures, such as wearing condoms, will prevent you from transmitting or getting sexually transmitted infections, as well as unwanted pregnancies. In addition, getting tested for sexually transmitted diseases will also prevent the transmission of these infections. Drink safe water. Water is one of the major sources of May outbreaks, and waterborne infections are one of the common causes of morbidity, especially among children. Therefore, it is important to make sure that you drink safe water from a known source. Boiling and filtering before drinking water will increase the safety of water that you drink. Prepare food correctly. Foodborne infections are common, especially among people who are living in low socioeconomic areas. Before preparing any food, it is important to wash them thoroughly. Meat, fish, and eggs should be properly cooked. Undercooking of these foods will increase the risk of diarrheal diseases, tapeworm infection, and food poisoning. Vegetables such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and others should not be overcooked to preserve the nutrients in these foods. The papaya is an incredibly healthy tropical fruit, and it's consumed by people all around the world. It is full of antioxidants which reduce inflammation and fight against chronic diseases. Well-ripened papayas can be eaten raw, and unripe papayas should be cooked before they can be eaten. Papayas are well known for their incredible health benefits. So, we are going to look at 6 of them in detail. Number 1, papaya has powerful antioxidant effects. During various metabolic processes, reactive molecules called free radicals are formed. They can promote oxidative stress and cellular damage, which can lead to many disease conditions. Antioxidants, including the carotenoids found in papayas, can neutralize these free radicals and prevent oxidative stress. Studies indicate that fermented papayas can reduce oxidative stress in older adults and in people with hypothyroidism, prediabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and liver disease. Number 2, papaya has anti-cancer effects. According to research, lycopene found in papaya can reduce the risk of cancer. It may also be beneficial for people who already got cancer. It is postulated that most of the anti-cancer effects of papaya is attributable to its antioxidant properties. Number 3, papaya improves heart health. Studies indicate that vitamin C and lycopene found in papaya help prevent heart disease. The antioxidants in papaya reduce the oxidation of fatty acids and slow down the progression of atherosclerosis. In addition, they also increase the protective effects of good HDL cholesterol in blood. Number 4, papaya has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is one of the major factors contributing to chronic disease, and unhealthy food habits and lifestyle changes can exaggerate inflammation in the body. Studies indicate that foods high in antioxidants, such as papaya, help reduce inflammatory markers. Number 5, papaya improves digestion and helps relieve constipation. The papain enzyme in papaya makes proteins easier to digest. People in the tropics consider papaya to be a natural remedy for constipation and other symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. The seeds, leaves, and roots of papaya have shown to be effective in treating ulcers in animals and humans. Number 6, papaya protects your skin from damage. Excessive free radical activity is believed to cause wrinkling, sagging, and other skin damage with aging. The vitamin C and lycopene in papaya help protect your skin from damage and may help delay the signs of aging. When it comes to nutrition, every fruit is healthy, especially when eaten whole. Fruits are an important source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Most fruits are also high in fiber. Having a diet high in fruits and vegetables is an important aspect in preventing non-communicable diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and various inflammatory conditions. In this video, I will talk about the 7 most nutritious fruits that you must include in your diet. Blueberries. Blueberries are well known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They are high in anthocyanin, a powerful antioxidant which helps our body fight against chronic illnesses. Blueberries are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamin C and K, and manganese. Avocado. Avocado is one of the favorite fruits of nutritionists and is considered as a superfruit due to its impressive health benefits and nutritional profile. They are high in healthy fats and low in natural sugars. They also contain high amounts of potassium, fiber, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin E and K, and carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin. High intake of avocado is associated with a reduced risk of diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. Bananas. Bananas are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and magnesium. They are one of the best dietary sources of potassium. Bananas are also high in prebiotics, which promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Moreover, they provide a variety of compounds called polyphenols and phytosterols, which boost your metabolism, aid in weight management, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are abundant in antioxidants, including flavonoids. They also have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Major benefits of pomegranates include reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including prostate cancer and skin cancer, improve urinary and brain health, and reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Apples. Apples are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which help maintain healthy bowel habits, manage your blood sugar levels, and reduce the absorption of cholesterol from the gut. They are also a good source of vitamin C and plant polyphenols, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. It is important to eat the whole apple with the peel to get the maximum benefits, since most of these nutrients are concentrated in and around the peel. Durian. Though known for its pungent smell, durian is incredibly nutritious. A single cup of durian provides approximately 9 grams of fiber, and about 1/4 of the daily value for potassium. In addition, they are rich in vitamin B1, B6, vitamin C, manganese, and many other essential nutrients. Durian is also rich in plant polyphenols, including flavonoids, phenolic acids, tannins, and carotenoids. Pineapple. Pineapple is one of the most popular tropical fruits. Just 1 cup of pineapple supplies 88% of the daily value for vitamin C. It also contains various polyphenolic compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Recurrent aphthous stomatitis, also known as canker sores, is a common ulcerative inflammatory condition of the oral cavity. It typically starts in childhood or adolescence as small recurrent, painful, round, or ovoid ulcers with well-defined erythematous margins, with a central yellow or gray floor. The exact cause of recurrent oral ulcers is not known. However, genetic factors play a major role in the pathogenesis of the disease. Additional predisposing factors include the following: psychological stress, especially during exam situations; trauma, including biting of the mucosa and wearing of dental appliances; hormonal changes in women during their cycles; cessation of smoking; and allergies to certain foods such as pineapples, tomatoes, mushrooms, salted food products, etc. Treatment of mouth ulcers starts with avoiding these triggering factors at the first place. Pharmacological therapy can be offered with topical anti-inflammatory agents such as steroids and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. In addition, tetracycline is helpful in reducing the severity of ulcers. Regular mouth washing with a chlorhexidine-containing mouthwash also helps prevent further inflammation associated with oral ulcers. If the topical agents fail to offer enough relief, systemic agents can be given in the form of tablets. Saying that, there are also several other non-pharmacological methods available to treat recurrent oral ulcers. Studies have shown that these methods can relieve symptoms, as well as reduce the recurrence of oral ulcers. Some of these methods include the following: brush teeth regularly. Brushing teeth regularly will ensure the constant removal of microorganisms from the oral cavity, and it is important to make sure to brush teeth before bed, since many anaerobic bacteria grow in the oral cavity during sleep. Avoid foods that can trigger the formation and worsening of mouth ulcers. As already mentioned, many foods and beverages can trigger the formation of oral ulcers. People with recurrent mouth ulcers should avoid or reduce the intake of these foods. Some of them include the following: histaminergic foods like pineapple, tomatoes, and tuna; mushrooms; chickpeas; salted foods such as dried fish; processed meat like sausages and bacon; fast food items; spicy foods; and cheese. Rinse with salt water. For this, dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in 1/2 cup of warm water. Swirl the solution in your mouth for 15 to 30 seconds, then spit it out, and repeat every few hours as needed. Apply honey. Honey is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. According to research, honey is effective in reducing canker sore pain, size, and redness. It also may help prevent secondary infection. So, applying honey on ulcers several times a day may be a good option. However, it is important to select unpasteurized honey, as they are more potent in healing the ulcers. Apply coconut oil. Studies have shown that coconut oil has antimicrobial properties due to its high amount of lauric acid. It may help treat canker sores caused by bacteria and prevent them from spreading. Coconut oil is also anti-inflammatory and may help reduce redness and pain. The immune system is the army of our body. In other words, it provides protection against pathogenic organisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other parasites that try to invade our body. A weak immune system increases the susceptibility to infections and allows the infections to become more severe. According to studies, nutrition plays a major role in maintaining a good immune response, and malnutrition is the most common cause of immunodeficiency worldwide. Various micronutrient deficiencies, including zinc, selenium, iron, copper, folic acid, and several other vitamin deficiencies, can downgrade the immune response against pathogens. So, let's talk about 7 foods that are proven to have a beneficial effect on upgrading your immune system. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and folate, 2 essential nutrients in maintaining the integrity of immunological barriers and in supporting many types of immune cells, including phagocytes, natural killer cells, T lymphocytes, and B lymphocytes. In addition, vitamin C is an antioxidant that regulates several aspects of the inflammatory response. Moreover, bioactive polyphenols found in citrus fruits, including hesperidin, neurorutin, and naringin, also play a role in boosting immunity. Some popular citrus fruits include grapefruit, oranges, clementine, tangerines, lemons, and lime. Number 2. Pineapples. Pineapples are also a popular fruit around the world. They are tasty, hydrating, and extremely nutritious. Studies consistently indicate that pineapple consumption is linked to a decreased incidence of bacterial and viral infections. Various substances in pineapple increase the number of white blood cells, more specifically, granulocytes and T lymphocytes. Pineapple also contains other vitamins that help boost immunity, including vitamin C and folic acid. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is well known for its medicinal properties for centuries. It is consumed all over the world. Recent studies have found that consumption of garlic enhances the functioning of the immune system by stimulating several types of immune cells, including macrophages, lymphocytes, natural killer cells, dendritic cells, and eosinophils. Additionally, compounds found in garlic have direct antibacterial and antiparasitic effects. Other than its beneficial effects on the immune system, garlic also plays a role in reducing the risk of several non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and cardiovascular disease. Number 4. Ginger. Many studies indicate that ginger has both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps relieve nausea, gastric disturbances, and sore throat as well. Apart from boosting immunity, ginger has a bunch of other health benefits too. Some of them include lowering blood pressure, blood sugar and LDL cholesterol, and anti-cancer effects. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is a rich source of powerful antioxidants such as flavonoids and epigallocatechin gallate. In several studies, epigallocatechin gallate has been shown to enhance the immune function. In addition, green tea has direct antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Green tea also has other health benefits, including anti-cancer properties, better control of blood glucose, and reduced cardiovascular disease risk. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that offers many health benefits. It is rich in a compound called sulforaphane, which increases immune function by triggering cellular defense mechanisms and activating several enzymes. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is a popular spice that has long been used as a medicinal ingredient. Curcumin, the major active compound in turmeric, offers many health benefits. Curcumin is a potent immunomodulatory agent which activates T cells, B cells, macrophages, neutrophils, natural killer cells, and dendritic cells. It also enhances the antibody response against various pathogens. Turmeric also has beneficial effects on allergy, asthma, arthritis, atherosclerosis, and heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, and cancer. Coconut water is the clear liquid found inside green coconuts, often referred to as nature's sports drink due to its hydrating properties. It is low in calories, fat-free, and packed with essential nutrients, making it a popular choice for replenishing electrolytes and staying hydrated. Coconut water is rich in several important nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, calcium, sodium, and vitamin C. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining overall health and well-being. So, let's dive into 5 proven health benefits of coconut water. Number 1, coconut water helps you stay hydrated and it replenishes electrolytes in the body. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte-rich beverage, making it an excellent choice for replenishing fluids and electrolytes lost during physical activity or hot weather. Its high potassium content helps maintain proper fluid balance in the body, preventing dehydration and muscle cramps. However, patients with kidney disease should not be given coconut water as it can lead to hyperkalemia, or high potassium levels in blood. This is because these patients cannot excrete potassium properly, and it tends to build up in blood, which can lead to fatal outcomes. Number 2, coconut water supports your heart health. Consuming coconut water regularly may help promote heart health. Potassium and magnesium present in coconut water are essential minerals that support heart function and help regulate blood pressure. Additionally, coconut water is cholesterol-free, making it a heart-friendly beverage choice. Number 3, improved digestion and weight management. Coconut water contains bioactive enzymes that aid in digestion and promote gut health. It is also low in calories and naturally fat-free, making it a suitable beverage for those looking to manage their weight. The presence of fiber in coconut water may also contribute to promoting satiety and reducing overeating. Number 4, antioxidant properties. Coconut water is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, which helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, and the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease and cancer. Number 5, hair and skin health. Drinking coconut water can benefit your skin and hair thanks to its hydrating properties and nutrient content. Hydration is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, preventing dryness, and promoting a youthful appearance. Additionally, the vitamins and minerals present in coconut water nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote healthy hair growth. Chia seeds are tiny, edible seeds of the plant Salvia hispanica, a flowering plant in the mint family. Although small, their nutritional profile is exceptional. Chia seeds promote your health in many different aspects. They are also very versatile and can be added to many recipes to incorporate into your diet. So in this video, we are going to look at 6 amazing health benefits of chia seeds. Number 1, chia seeds are highly nutritious. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 138 calories, 4.7 grams of protein, 8.7 grams of fat, and 11 grams of carbohydrates, most of which are in the form of fiber. In addition, they are rich in other micronutrients such as calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and B vitamins. Number 2, chia seeds have antioxidant properties. Oxidative stress caused by free radicals is one of the major factors contributing to chronic illnesses and the aging process. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and slow down these processes. Our body contains indigenous antioxidants, mainly in the form of glutathione and vitamin E. However, exogenous antioxidants coming from food are also beneficial. Chia seeds are rich in several of such antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myricidin, quercetin, and kaempferol. Number 3, chia seeds promote weight loss. This benefit of chia seeds is attributable to their high fiber and protein content. Fiber reduces the calorie intake by reducing the absorption of carbohydrates and cholesterol from the gut. Protein in chia seeds will make you feel full, leading to a reduced calorie intake. Number 4, chia seeds alleviate constipation. One of the major risk factors for constipation is reduced fiber intake, and chia seeds have plenty of them. So, including chia seeds in the diet will help alleviate your constipation. Number 5, chia seeds reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death around the world. One of the major factors contributing to cardiovascular disease is abnormal lipid levels in blood. Since chia seeds are high in fiber, they reduce the absorption of cholesterol into the body. In addition, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are also beneficial for heart health. Number 6, Chia seeds help reduce blood sugar levels. As already mentioned, chia seeds reduce the absorption of carbohydrates, mainly glucose and other monosaccharide sugars from the gut. In addition, studies have shown that regular intake of chia seeds is associated with an increased insulin sensitivity. Both these mechanisms explain the beneficial effect of chia seeds on blood sugar levels. Foods to boost metabolism is a hot topic among individuals who are trying to lose weight. In fact, some foods help increase the body's metabolic rate, at least to a certain extent. Adding these foods to your diet increases fat burning as well as prevents excess weight gain. However, it is important to keep in mind that eating these foods alone will not be sufficient to make you lose weight. Instead, they serve as a complement to a well-balanced, low-calorie diet to promote weight loss, along with other weight-losing strategies. So, let's see 5 best foods to boost your body's metabolism. Number 1, high-protein foods. Foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products increase body's metabolism. These foods require more calories to digest, absorb, and process their nutrients, which is known as the thermic effect of foods. Research shows that protein-rich foods increase thermal effect of food the most. Additionally, proteins help a person feel full for a longer time, which prevents overeating. Number 2, coffee. Caffeine in coffee is well known to increase body's metabolic rate. Several studies indicate that people who drink 3 cups of coffee a day burn up to an extra 100 calories per day. Caffeine also promotes fat burn for energy. Number 3, tea. Tea contains compounds called catechins that work same as caffeine when boosting metabolism. Tea is also rich in various antioxidants that improve health via several mechanisms. Number 4, chili peppers. Several studies have found that chili facilitates weight loss. The main targets of chili are fat metabolism, energy expenditure, and thermogenesis. The major active compound behind these mechanisms is capsaicin, which is found abundantly in chili. Chili also aids in better control of insulin, which is important in weight management and preventing diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. Number 5, ginger. Ginger has shown positive effects against obesity and related metabolic disorders. Various compounds in ginger help reduce fat accumulation and serum levels of glucose, triglycerides, and cholesterol. Administration of ginger is associated with an increase in body heat, which is an indicator of increased metabolism. Avocado, scientifically known as Persea americana, is a fruit native to Central America and Mexico. People all around the world love to eat avocado due to its creamy texture and rich flavor. They are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Avocados are packed with essential nutrients such as healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Just one serving contains a good amount of fiber, potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and folate. But what makes avocados truly stand out are their unique health-promoting properties. So, let's discuss 6 amazing health benefits of avocado. Number 1, avocados promote heart health. Avocados are high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These fats are known to help reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels in blood, which in turn can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 2, avocados aid in better weight management. Avocados can be a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Despite their creamy texture, avocados are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. This combination helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals. In addition, high fiber content reduces the absorption of calories into the body too. Number 3, avocados promote eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that are essential for eye health. These nutrients help protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Number 4, avocados promote digestive health. Avocados are also great for your digestive system. Thanks to their high fiber content, they promote regular bowel movements and help prevent constipation. Moreover, the healthy fats in avocados aid in nutrient absorption, ensuring that your body gets the most out of what you eat. Number 5, avocados help maintain a healthy skin. Avocados are high in vitamin C and E, which can make wonders for your skin. These vitamins help fight oxidative damage, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Additionally, the healthy fats in avocados help moisturize your skin from the inside out. Number 6. Brain health. Avocados are rich in folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in brain function and development. Folate helps support cognitive function and may even reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Acne is one of the most common dermatological conditions, especially among adolescents and young adults, but can affect individuals of any age. Many factors contribute to the development of acne, including excess sebum production, acne-causing bacteria, blocked pores, hormonal changes, genetic factors, personal factors such as poor hygiene, cosmetic products, and certain medications. Food alone does not cause acne or prevent it. However, some foods can increase the severity of already existing acne. So, in this video, you are going to know 6 foods that can worsen your acne. Number 1. Refined grains and sugar. Studies show that people with acne have found to consume more refined carbohydrates than people with little or no acne. Foods rich in refined carbohydrates include bread, pasta, crackers, cereal, or desserts made with white flour, white rice and rice noodles, sodas and sugar-sweetened beverages, food sweeteners like maple syrup, honey, and agave. Refined carbohydrates are absorbed quickly into the body, increasing blood sugar levels rapidly. High blood sugar levels trigger the secretion of more insulin from the pancreas to shuttle excess glucose into the cells. High insulin levels increase the activity of androgen hormones and insulin-like growth factor, which upregulates the production of sebum, causing acne. On the other hand, low glycemic diets do not significantly raise blood sugar or insulin levels and are associated with reduced acne severity. Number 2. Dairy products. Many studies have shown that there is a link between higher consumption of dairy products and increased severity of acne in teenagers. 2 larger studies found that young adults who regularly consume dairy products were 4 times more prone to get acne. The exact mechanism behind this is not fully understood, although it has been postulated that dairy products increase insulin levels in blood. In addition, amino acids in cow's milk may increase the levels of insulin-like growth factor. Number 3. Fast foods. Acne is strongly associated with having a Western diet rich in calories, fat, and refined carbohydrates. Fast foods like burgers, hot dogs, fries, and chips, nuggets, processed meats, sodas, and milkshakes are mainstays of a typical Western diet and may increase the risk of acne. Number 4. Foods rich in omega-6 fatty acids. Diets rich in omega-6 fatty acids are associated with significant inflammation, which increases the risk of acne. Some of these foods include corn oil, soy oil, mayonnaise, tofu, almonds, and walnuts. On the other hand, consuming foods high in omega-3 fatty acids is associated with a reduced risk of acne. Some of these foods include avocado, fatty fish, and shellfish. Number 5. Chocolate. Many studies indicate that chocolate has a significant impact on acne. However, the exact mechanism behind this is not fully understood. Number 6. Whey protein. Whey protein is one of the most popular dietary supplements. It is rich in amino acids, particularly leucine and glutamine. These amino acids increase the division of skin cells, which contributes to the formation of acne. In addition, these amino acids can also stimulate the production of insulin, especially when taken in higher amounts. Finally, it is important to keep in mind that individual response to these foods can vary significantly. For some people, eating these foods is fine, but for others, it can be devastating. Therefore, you should always explore yourself, what you can eat safely and what foods will worsen your acne. Thanks for watching. Hope someone found this video helpful. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that has many important functions in the body. The main function of vitamin C is in the biosynthesis of collagen by increasing its expression. In addition, vitamin C helps maintain the normal structure of collagen by acting as a cofactor for 2 essential enzymes, proline and lysine hydroxylase. Vitamin C also plays a role in absorption of iron, especially the fraction of iron derived from plant food sources. Vitamin C is essentially required for regulation of neurotransmitter biosynthesis, including dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Additionally, vitamin C also plays a role in protein metabolism. Vitamin C contributes to immune defense by supporting various cellular functions of both the innate and adaptive immune system. Moreover, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that prevents many chronic illnesses in the body and helps regenerate other antioxidants such as vitamin E. Vitamin C cannot be produced in the human body. However, it is readily available in many types of food. Citrus fruits are the best known source of ascorbic acid. Additional sources of vitamin C include the following: red and green peppers, tomatoes, leafy greens such as spinach and kale, guava, strawberries, thyme, cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower, white potatoes, and parsley. Increased intake of vitamin C has been reported to be beneficial for health. Some of these benefits include cancer prevention, prevention of cardiovascular disease, prevention of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, prevention of the common cold, improved wound healing, protection against infection, and improved blood pressure control. Vitamin C deficiency leads to scurvy. As already mentioned, humans are unable to produce vitamin C and therefore depend on dietary sources. Today, scurvy is extremely rare because of improved food supplies, vitamin-fortified foods, and vitamin supplements. However, it can occur in populations with poor diets. Other risk categories include the following: alcoholic individuals, people with type 1 diabetes who have a greater vitamin C requirement, infants who are fed only cow's milk, smokers, people with eating disorders, people with gastrointestinal disorders such as inflammatory bowel disease, individuals with iron overload, which leads to wasting of vitamin C by the kidneys, and people who are on very restrictive diets. Signs of scurvy include the following: poor wound healing, malaise and fatigue, bleeding gums with gingival inflammation, loss of teeth, capillary fragility with petechia, ecchymosis, and purpura, weight loss, iron deficiency, susceptibility to infection, mucosal dryness and dry skin, hair loss, and joint pain. Eggs are extremely nutritious and are one of the few foods that can be classified as superfoods. They are loaded with essentially all the nutrients your body needs, including vitamins such as vitamin A, K, D, E, B2, B5, B6, B12, and folate, minerals like phosphorus, selenium, and zinc, high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, several antioxidants, and choline, which is an extremely important nutrient. Most importantly, all these nutrients come with a low number of calories. So in this video, we are going to look at 4 incredible health benefits of eating eggs regularly. Number 1. Eggs have the greatest anabolic effect over all the other protein-rich foods. This means a major proportion of proteins in the eggs will be used to build muscle proteins in the body than any other food. Therefore, eating eggs on a regular basis will help you gain muscle mass easily. In addition to the protein content, cholesterol in eggs is also beneficial in this process. Number 2. Eating eggs is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Most people are afraid of eating eggs because of their cholesterol content. However, many studies have shown that eating eggs is associated with an increase in the HDL cholesterol content, which is the good type of cholesterol in blood. People have a higher level of HDL, usually have a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Number 3. Eggs improve your eye health. Visual impairment is one of the main complications of aging. There are several nutrients that can help counteract some of the degenerative diseases affecting the eyes. Out of these nutrients, most important ones are lutein and zeaxanthin. They are powerful antioxidants that accumulate in the retina of the eye. Studies show that consuming adequate amounts of these nutrients can significantly reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, 2 very common eye disorders. Egg yolks contain large amounts of both lutein and zeaxanthin. In addition to these antioxidants, egg yolks contain vitamin A, another important vitamin for eye health. So, eating eggs on a regular basis will improve your eye health. Number 4. Eggs contain choline, an essential nutrient in the diet. Choline was officially recognized as an essential nutrient by the Institute of Medicine in 1998. It has a wide range of roles in human metabolism, from cell structure to neurotransmitter biosynthesis. Choline deficiency has been recognized to have an impact on diseases such as liver disease, atherosclerosis, and neurological disorders. Choline is found in a wide variety of foods. Egg yolks are the richest source of choline, providing 680 milligrams per 100 grams. Therefore, eating eggs on a regular basis will make sure you take adequate amounts of choline through the diet.
Hanging by a thread, hung up on all the words you said, breaking free from this conformity that you force on me. Everything I do is one big show. It's about damn time that I take control. Put me under a microscope and watch me take control. What's this? I finally read this helplessness. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around to know. And dear God, save my soul 'cause it is blood. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around. Don't tell me that I need saving. Finally awake and living. Yeah. The pressure inside was building. I felt under attack, and now my mind's attacked. And I've chosen my path. I've chosen my path.
is the principal sex hormone in males. Females also have small amounts of testosterone in their blood. Testosterone is a steroid hormone made up using cholesterol as the precursor molecule. In males, testosterone has several functions, including the following. During puberty, testosterone causes development of secondary sexual characteristics in the male child. It is also responsible for increasing muscle and bone mass. Other functions include increased red blood cell production, increased sex drive, and increased basal metabolic rate. The production of testosterone hormone in our body gradually decreases with aging, which gives rise to features of male hypogonadism. Male hypogonadism can be treated with testosterone supplements. However, diet also plays an important role in increasing your testosterone levels. So, in this video I'm going to explain 5 foods to boost your testosterone levels naturally. Number 1. Shellfish. Shellfish like oysters, shrimp, and lobsters are an excellent source of zinc, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids. All these nutrients are essential in the process of making testosterone hormone. They are all rich in high-quality animal protein. Additionally, vitamin B12 is found abundantly in many types of shellfish. They are one of the world's most delicious foods and can be enjoyed in a variety of recipes. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines are one of the healthiest foods on the planet. They are packed with essential nutrients that are easily absorbed into the body. To boost testosterone, they provide good amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and zinc. Eating fatty fish regularly has also been linked to improved heart health and reduced risk of diabetes, obesity, and hypertension. Number 3. Avocado. This delicious fruit is considered a superfood due to its exceptional nutrient profile and health benefits. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. They are also high in magnesium and boron, which are important for hormonal health. Studies show that boron helps maintain optimal levels of testosterone by preventing its breakdown. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are probably the cheapest superfood available. They are packed with almost all the nutrients you need. To boost testosterone, eggs provide the mineral selenium, which is important in testosterone synthesis. It is best to eat the whole egg rather than just the egg white to get the maximum benefits. Number 5. Dark, leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with magnesium, which is important to maintain good testosterone levels. These vegetables also provide good amounts of fiber, potassium, and other trace minerals, and essential vitamins. It is important to keep in mind that along with these foods, you need to take additional lifestyle measures to optimize your testosterone levels. Some of these measures include quitting smoking and reducing alcohol intake, have enough sleep, avoid processed junk foods, exercise regularly, take treatment for comorbid illnesses such as diabetes, and get exposed to sunlight to increase your vitamin D levels. Dietary fiber is the part of plant foods that cannot be digested by the human body. There are 2 types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Both types play important roles in maintaining good health. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and adds bulk to stools, which prevents constipation. Soluble fiber absorbs water, forming a gel-like substance in the digestive system. By doing so, it reduces the absorption of cholesterol and sugar into the bloodstream, which helps lower blood cholesterol and blood sugar respectively. So, in this video, we are going to look at 8 foods rich in fiber. Number 1. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins C, E, K, B2, B3, B5, B6, folate, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, copper, and manganese. A 100 grams sized avocado contains around 7 grams of fiber, which is certainly a good amount. They are also a rich source of plant-based antioxidants, which fight against many chronic disease conditions. Number 2. Beans. Beans are inexpensive, simple to prepare, and healthy. A 100 grams serving of cooked beans provide approximately 16 grams of fiber, which is a huge amount. In addition to their great nutritional value, beans have many other health benefits, such as promoting heart health and aiding in weight loss. Number 3. Popcorn. Popcorn is one of the best snacks to eat if you want to increase your fiber intake. Air popped popcorn contain about 15 grams of fiber per 100 grams serving. However, it is important to keep in mind that if you add a lot of fat, the fiber to calorie ratio will decrease significantly. Number 4. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are highly nutritious, containing high amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. They may also be the single best source of fiber on the planet, because they contain about 34 grams of fiber per 100 grams serving. Number 5. Whole grains. Whole grains have been a part of the human diet for thousands of years. Eating whole grains is associated with various health benefits, including a lower risk of diabetes and heart disease, and a healthy blood pressure. As an average value, whole grains contain around 7 grams of fiber per 100 grams serving. Some varieties of whole grains include oatmeal, millet, quinoa, brown rice, whole rye, wild rice, bulgur, and buckwheat. Number 6. Berries. Berries are extremely popular for their antioxidant properties, but they are rich in fiber too. Just a cup of fresh blueberries provides approximately 4 grams of fiber. Blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries are also great sources of fiber. Number 7. Almonds. Almonds are a very popular type of tree nut. They're very high in many nutrients, including healthy fats, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. The fiber content in almonds is about 13 grams per 100 grams serving. Number 8. Dark vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Dark vegetables provide good amounts of dietary fiber. Additionally, they are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, other B vitamins, potassium, iron, and manganese. Finally, dark vegetables also have antioxidant properties, which protect you from many disease conditions.
Hey guys, welcome to my 5-minute Fit Friday video. It's summer, you guys are gonna be going for vacations, and when you're traveling, you might not have access to any weights or any equipment. So today I wanna share with you 30 awesome exercises for your legs and your butt that you can do on your vacation without having to lift any weights. That said, there is some exercise equipment that can come really handy when you're traveling. It's very lightweight and it doesn't take up a lot of space in your luggage either. Power band and sliders. And of course I'm going to show you exercises that you can do with this equipment. But first, let's start with all the bodyweight exercises for which you don't need any equipment at all. Exercise number 1, jump lunge. Exercise number 2, jump squat. Exercise number 3, curtsy lunge, leg lift. Exercise number 4, one leg squat. Exercise number 5, pistol squat. Exercise number 6, side jump lunge. Exercise number 7, airborne lunge. Exercise number 8, archer squat. Exercise number 9, laying hip raise. Now here are some exercises that you can do with a chair. Exercise number 10, backward lunge, step up. Exercise number 11, one leg elevated lunge. Exercise number 12, ballerina playa squat. Exercise number 13, ballerina backward lunge, backward leg extension. Here are some lower body exercises using sliders. Exercise number 14, side lunge slide. Exercise number 15, side to side lunge slide. Exercise number 16, backward slide lunge. Exercise number 17, curtsy slide lunge to toe stand. Exercise number 18, plank jack slides. Exercise number 19, pistol slide squat. And the last few exercises for shaping up your legs and your glutes are going to be with your power band. Exercise number 20, side to side squat. Exercise number 21, jump jack squat. Exercise number 22, ballerina squat abduction. Exercise number 23, standing lateral raise. Exercise number 24, laying hip raise abduction. Exercise number 25, ballerina hip raise abduction. Exercise number 26, inner thigh lift. Exercise number 27, clamps. Exercise number 28, clamp to leg extension. Exercise number 29, kneeling hip abduction. Exercise number 30, plank jacks. The great thing about bodyweight exercises is that you can do them daily. You don't have to worry about any overtraining or anything like that. You don't have to take a day off after you do your leg day. Do them daily. If you're on a vacation, you can do every day these exercises. And if you're wondering how many reps and sets, rule of thumb is do as many reps as you can with proper form. So guys, if you want to work out with me daily and do my full-length workouts with equipment, without equipment, for beginners, for advanced, come to my website zuzkalej.com and sign up for Z-Gym, and I can get you into the best shape of your life. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any new 5-Minute Fit Fridays or coffee talks, and I will see you guys soon. Ciao.
मैं आपको लास्ट टाइम बोल रहा हूँ, अगर आप तुरंत यहाँ से नहीं गए तो मुझे सिक्योरिटी को बुला के आपको बात दिखाना पड़ेगा, और मैं अपने लोगों को बुलाऊंगा, आप लोगों और क्या बात निभाऊंगा। अरे जनाब, किन्हें बात निभाएंगे? मैं खुद इंडियन हूँ, पीछे नहीं, बेसिकली काम कर रहा हूँ। सिक्योरिटी